Alright, once we get our panels all bent up and installed, if we're a little long on our 2x2s, just fold them over with a mallet. Then we'll go ahead and take our mission cap. We're going to take our 6-inch end disc. We're going to place that into our first cap. And you can go ahead and put a fold on that and cut out my fascia, so that way it sits down back nice and tight. So we'll go ahead and place this one, like so. And then we'll put 2 fasteners, one on either side, going into my 2x2s. And then go ahead and just continue up our hip line. Continue placing caps, fastening on either side as you go up. Alright, so when we come up to an intersection with a hip and a ridge, we want to do the following steps. So my first side, you can see I'm just going to go ahead and notch this out, put a fold on it, notch out back where it hits on the battens here as well. And we'll go ahead and install that and fasten as normal. Then we'll come back with our caulking. We'll go ahead and caulk down this one. And then we'll find our miter. And we'll go ahead and place that into that caulking and fasten that cap. And we'll go ahead and take our caulking once again. Then we'll go ahead and notch our ridge cap around those hip caps and place that down into that caulking. And then we can fasten this down into our batten. Then we can go ahead and caulk all of our cuts and touch those up with our granules. And then we can continue along our ridge, setting that over the top and fastening into our batten system with 2 fasteners per cap.